So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I ordered some Pokemon cards, so let's unbox it. Wow. So I ordered a EX card, so it might be here. So let's unbox it. Wait a minute. So yes, guys, so I brought my scissors. So yeah, you can see that our cards are here. So I want to open from here. So let's open it. So yes. Yes, bro, we got the Japanese cards. So yeah, let's. But I ordered only one card. So let's see. So I think these are the free cards. So let's we see. Oh yeah, Charmander. Okay, it's Pokemon Go. So guess the card. 3, 2, 1, go. So yeah, guys, I ordered a Coriander EX. So please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.